Today, we'll show you how to install the wireless guard on the OKI B433 and the OKI B513. First, we will turn the power off. Then, we'll open the wireless compartment, and then we have a wireless guard, and we will connect the wireless guard to the cable. Like so. Remember, if you do need to remove the wireless guard, do not just yank the cable out. Make sure you press on the little white here, connect that, and then remove it. Okay, so that's how you connect it. Then just basically put it into the inside the compartment, and make sure you actually clip it in and close the compartment. Then turn the power back on. Once the printer comes to ready to print, use either the menu button up or the menu button down to scroll down through the menu, or up, and then scroll down to menus, select menus, then scroll down to admin setup. Click on admin setup. And once you've actually been prompted with the admin password, remember your admin password is located inside the multi-purpose tray right here. Okay. Now enter the password. Then go to network setup, general setup, and go to extended network. And here you will see wireless network disabled. So we're just going to scroll to that wireless and make sure we set it to enable. So select wireless, and here it'll ask us, do you want to turn on wireless? If we say yes, the printer will reboot automatically. So the machine is asking us, it's not connected to wireless. Do you want to connect it? Say yes. And then scroll down to wireless settings. Enter the password. That's the admin password. And then select wireless infrastructure. And you get prompted. You can't use wireless infrastructure at the same time we're using Wi-Fi Direct. So we just enable wireless infrastructure. And then we select wireless network selection to scroll down through a network that we need. So we're just going to go to wireless network selection. Now the machine is searching for the available network. Okay, select your available network and then enter the password. And then OK last. And it says, do you want to execute these settings? Say yes. Okay to execute. Connection successful. It says press the OK button. Press OK, and there we go. Machine is ready. The symbol of the Wi-Fi is on. Our machine is ready and connected. And now just obtaining a network IP address from the router. Thank you.